The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Levy County in northern Florida until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles south of Fowler's Bluff, or 22 miles south of Cheeseland, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Williston, Cheeseland, Bronson, Otter Creek, Williston Highlands, East Bronson, and Williston Municipal Airport. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Levy, Florida,